Hello everyone, our topic for today is Introduction of Fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Example of fractions are 1 half, 3/4, 5 over 8. Parts of fraction. Our fraction for today is 4 over 5 or 4/5. So the number at the top is called numerator and the number at the bottom is called denominator. What is numerator? Numerator is how many parts you have, and then denominator is how many parts the whole was divided into. So the line is called fraction bar. So fraction bar is the line between numerator and the denominator. So numerator is called sometimes the number or how many shaded part in the whole. So for example, 4 over 5. Ibig sabihin, apat daw po yung dapat na nakashade dito. So I use crayons to shade the 4. So, our fraction is 4/5. Why? Because the numerator is how many parts you have. So, I have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is 4. And then, denominator is how many parts the whole was divided into. Kung ilang parte daw po dinivide ang isang whole. So, the whole is divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called denominator. And then our fraction is 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then the whole is divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our fraction is 4 over 5. Next. So another example. I have a circle. I divided into 4. And then I have a rectangle. I divided into 6. So this illustration in the circle, so the denominator is 4. Why 4? Because I will divide into the 4 parts. The whole is divided into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I decided to shade the 2 parts. So, meron na tayong 2/4. So, the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4. Why denominator is 4? Because the circle is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, why the numerator is 2? Because I shaded the 2 parts of the circle. 1, 2. So, our fraction is 2 over 4. Next. Look to the rectangle. The rectangle will divided into 6 parts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. I decided to shade the 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, our fraction is, what is the numerator? The numerator is 3. Why 3? Because I shade, the numerator is the how many parts you have. So, I have 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what is the denominator? The denominator is 6. Why 6? Because the whole is divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get it? Okay, thank you. Next, apply your skills. So I have an activity. So direction, write a fraction to show what is represented by the shaded parts in each figure. So write the fraction. From this number 1, what is the fraction from number 1? Again, what fraction? Count the shaded part. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 to that top. And then, what is the denominator? The denominator is 4. Why 4? Because the rectangle is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how about number 2? What figure is this? Yes, it is a rectangle. So, count the shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the numerator is 10. And then, how many parts will divided the rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, our denominator is 14. So, our fraction is 10 over 14. How about number 3? Look to the circle. The circle is divided into 8 parts. So, the denominator is 8. Count the number of shaded part. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, our numerator is 5. The fraction in the figure is 5 over 8. Next, how about number 4? Okay, what fraction is number 4? Okay, count the shaded part. The shaded part are 1, 2. So, our numerator is 2. And then, the triangle is divided into how many parts? Count natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 parts. Our denominator is 4. So, our fraction from example number 4 is 2 over 4. Do you get it?